Courts for Webex adds on top of market-leading conferencing system Webex. The application functions supporting different types of judicial processes. Courts for Webex is more inclusive as no download or installation is required. All necessary capabilities are available in the browser. The role system, the customizable skin, the API layer allow a wide range of variations around the basic process schema to adapt to the regulatory and cultural differences. It enables hybrid virtual hearings as attendees are in the session regardless of their physical location and condition. Courts for Webex allows for significant customization of the workflows through the role system. The product comes with predefined roles. Each administration can then modify behavior of existing ones, define additional roles, and assign them to user groups to activate or deactivate specific functions. Sessions have more than just active/inactive states. The states are defined by the events happening and by the status of participants to implement smart workflows, such as session is waiting for judge, etc. Based on the status of the session, functionality may be activated or deactivated, for example, force mute all microphones. The join process is very flexible. Courts and staff members can join using their Webex accounts or single sign-on, and then access their proceedings based on scheduling and role. Other participants, based on their role, will join the waiting rooms or the courtroom according to the defined scheduling. The Mission Control is a Courts for Webex feature developed to streamline and simplify the management of people and rooms. Using the group functionality, attendees are associated to court's cases. A simple filter allows the court staff to select only those belonging to the case. Once selected, the bulk action menu allows a number of actions such as move to room or eject. Fast cases is an additional simplified method for people management where the judge sees the list of cases and the available participants and admits them with a single button. Cases can then be started, stopped, and resumed. Court staff can dynamically decide when an attendee can start sharing or viewing a video or a document or picture. This feature complies with important regulations on who can see in evidence. Controlling the ability to see the participant is another essential task of the court staff. This enables the ability to activate a specific virtual background or to apply witness protection video filters for specific attendees. Courts for Webex is designed to handle direct call to VCF devices, such as devices in custody rooms, in police stations, in other courtrooms, etc. The feature can also be used to implement other judicial use cases, such as virtual visitation in correctional facilities. Courts for Webex supports both simultaneous interpretation as well as sequential interpretation. The interpreter console has been designed according to the international specification in ISO 24019. Sign language interpretation will also come to Courts for Webex very soon. Courts for Webex offers the ability to provide captioning and transcriptions both in automatic mode, speech-to-text, or via a manual stenographer. Transcriptions file can then be exported together with the session audit trail. Integrated streaming and recording control panel allows for easy management, down to each single audio channel, of this essential function in the court. The chain of custody audit log is designed to maintain strong security on the log recording of events happening in the courts. For this reason, each record is strongly authenticated by a key and no modification can be performed on the audit log without invalidating it. Courts for Webex can integrate with existing scheduling systems as well as enable courts officials to use the existing one in the product. The scheduling system includes additionally a solution to allow citizen to book a session directly with the courts in some specific cases. An important part of the proceedings is the ability to manage the already defined schedule and the associated documentation. This is achieved using the case view in Court for Webex and the API to manage integration with the existing case management solution. Courts for Webex is a solution natively designed to support the hybrid model. In-person attendees can register their presence using a totem before entering the courtroom. They will still properly appear in the participant list as in-person rather than remote. Courts for Webex supports different models for deployment, having in mind the importance of data residency and sovereignty. The product can be deployed in public cloud, private cloud, or even on private data center to meet the requirement and regulation imposed by the customer administration. To simplify the procurement process, Courts for Webex licensing model is made as simple as possible. It's only based on the number of courtrooms, independent from the number of sessions, the number of participants, or the minutes of usage. More info on Webex Application Hub. We will be happy to schedule a demo of Courts for Webex to show you the wealth of possibilities opened by a tool designed to improve equal access to justice. Thank you for your time with us.